AirTalk Wireless now offers eSIMs, allowing for instant mobile service activation without a physical SIM card. To get an eSIM from AirTalk, you generally need to qualify for their service through the Lifeline or Affordable Connectivity Program. This typically involves proving your income or participation in assistance programs like Medicaid or SNAP. Eligibility is verified via the National Verifier System. Non-Lifeline users can access standard prepaid plans, but discounts are exclusive to those enrolled in assistance programs. Streamlined digital proofing now allows for eligibility approval in under 24 hours for most applicants. Once eligible for AirTalk Wireless, new activations are simple. You'll receive a QR code via email or through the AirTalk app or website. Scan this QR code with your eSIM-compatible device, such as iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, or Google Pixel phones. Scanning instantly provisions your service. This digital process eliminates the need for physical SIM cards or in-store visits. The QR code links to AirTalk's servers, securely loading your SIM profile onto your device. This enables immediate data and voice service activation. Make sure your device is compatible. AirTalk provides a compatibility checker on their website.